There's construction ahead. So, pretty girl of the police looks like this. Jesus Christ. You can see to the left, but we have the Pirates Bar. Pirates Bar. Not that. It's not by bar. You can see the old school casinos to the background, which is the stratosphere. You see, Las Vegas is built in this way that gives you the illusion that everything's so close, but it's actually really not. You think you go from one place to another 5 minutes, but like 15 minutes later you're still walking and you're still feeling like I'm there. You know what I mean? It's a very smart design to make you keep going and not give up. It just makes you feel like, the next target is like just 5 minutes away. Maybe less. But that's never the case. It's kind of like, it's actually, I couldn't even call it an illusion. It's almost like a real life. Real life makes you feel like that. It's something about it's just 5 minutes away. Well, you're not. Well, you're not. Should I could have woulda? How could I? No. Let's have another idea. Let's just go This is a beautiful time of the day. I mean, around Vegas is a little more traffic because, it's just people getting off work. But then again, it's not a normal place. People don't have, it's like anywhere else in the world that they have the 9-to-5 jobs. It's not quite like that. I mean, you have that crowd of workers, but then you have pretty much everybody else working after midnight. I mean, after sunset. It's just no matter. I want to live here for a little longer because not only I haven't decoded nothing at all, like nothing, like zero, but also there's a lot of secrets to me that I should. I mean, I could try a little better. I could try a little harder. I could there must be something new. There must be. Circus to the left, Fontainebleau. Is this the newest casino to the right, the Fontainebleau? That's a really French name, like a French fry. But still the stratosphere, man. You know what I mean? Like old casino, the old Vegas, baby, the real Vegas, real deal. Like also to the left, the circus is like the real deal. This is old school shit. Makes you talk to yourself. Washing potato. I don't know. Doesn't even matter. That's what I like about some stuff. Just keep questions. It doesn't even matter. Like, I don't know what that is. Doesn't even matter. You don't even know what it is. You just fucking enjoy that shit, bro. Yep. That's what I think. I'm tired of sitting into this chair. I haven't been anywhere. Okay. I think I'm reconsidering everything. I think that was the smartest thing I've done the last few months. I don't know about smartest, but definitely the most important. Sure, that's time. Have a new Fontainebleau. Sky, Las Vegas. Sahara to the right. Background across the street from kind of the stratosphere. It's question is, would you love me to show me where I'm going and never love my throne? You sprung along my bed.
Head northeast on Las Vegas Boulevard.
Shut the fuck lock. Talk about you later. Google. I know Las Vegas is like the back of my palm, bitch. Then why are you using me? Google says. Well, to be honest with you, I like your voice. Really? She says. Really? I say. One way or another, I'm gonna get you. You guys love this September light? You know? The end of September, I'm in Las Vegas, the famous blue raincoat. The end of September, I live in Las Vegas. The light is so gorgeous. I'm through the morning, and Jane came back with a lock of your hair. She said that you gave it to her, and I thought you were bold. Hey, it's amazing shits here. Sincerely, Panos Coolies. Jane came, more back with the love. Okay, move on and cut the crap. Stop dissing your favorite artist, which is Leonard Cohen. R.I.P. Okay. Oh shit. That's funny. I like that. Mm-hmm. So you think you can tell someone got married here, heaven from hell, blue skies from pain. Can you tell her to eat green stuff more because about a deer? But Aztec Twin is the place to be. Jane? Oh man, you suck it now. Sacrifice teachers in life. Would you ever fly? Straight frame, caught in the mystery tower. Las Vegas is here, buddy. So, once you cross the stratosphere going north, you're pretty much going to the old downtown. Am I gonna treat you with the old downtown today? Chat? Just kidding, I don't have a chat. This is not a live stream. Chat? No. So this is like the kind of like famous kind of Durango. Not Durango, it's just famous to the girls over there. And you know what it is? Let's go that way and see what happens. Oh, so we can't do that. I got you. So these people go straight. We're gonna make a little leftish. Cannot do cannot pass the U turn here. What we can do is follow the light. These two ladies. Get out of my life. Come on now. Come on now, my light cut off, girls. Young ladies. Fresh young ladies. Maybe going to the swiggle, swiggle, swiggle. But the civil love my treatment, I will make you love King, now we're gonna start with this fucking song. Is this for reals? Are you for reals? Resolve, please come back. Paradiso, control. Click, fly. Click. Green light, oh, electric lights. Where are you trying to hold my fire? Stay to me, I love you. So let out the fire. Back to the street, Jigga. How much is a crocodile? Oh man, that's cheaper than the Spring sprang from Sligo down stick take Subaru da 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 da. To the right is like there's also is coast and Pandani.
Continue on East Sahara Avenue for 3/4 of a mile. Your route avoids a slowdown on I-15 North. You're on the fastest route. You will arrive at 5:53 p.m. Head northeast on Las Vegas Boulevard South.
Connect with the connect. So now we're back on the street, Las Vegas Street, and we're just going this time south. All right, kind of like from Stratosphere to MGM, Luxor, Mandalay Bay, like probably the last one over there. Just going back to the Hollywood side. I'm sorry, to the Las Vegas side.
Head southwest on Las Vegas Boulevard South toward Lisette Way. Continue on Las Vegas Boulevard South for 3/4 of a mile.
It's very beautiful to see that. First of all right. Second of all, and the most important is the third of all, which is past the Hilton. Approaching, you'll see they're outside the again Fontainebleau on the left. Approaching the old school Central Circus on the right side, right after the next slide is it. Pretty light experience. Is this open again? Because it was closed for a while. It looks like it's closed. Decent reception. So now we have we passed. No, so to the right, the Circus, ladies and gentlemen. I don't know why I can mention it more than. obviously.
At the light, use the left 2 lanes to turn left onto Convention Center Drive.
So, approaching again, the flying saucer.
Continue on Convention Center Drive for half a mile. Head southwest on Las Vegas Boulevard South. Continue on Las Vegas Boulevard South for half a mile.
Busting my head, finding love. I don't think I need another door. Also, I'm missing a glove. Do you ever complain? Or maybe did you ever? Fashion show is right here to the right. Going back to Venice, Italy, to the Palazzo. You're gonna do Palazzo and Palaces? What else can I say? The funny thing is that back in the early 90s, I really went to Venice, Italy, and spent the whole day there. It was actually February, you know, what the carnival, you know, and all that.
In 800 feet, use the left 2 lanes to turn left onto Sands Avenue.
Gorgeous. It was like unbelievable, from another world. The crowds were terrible to death. Who cares? I was young. We were young. I was there with my really pretty girlfriend back then. And so in Italy.
At the light, use the left 2 lanes to turn left onto Sands Avenue.
To be honest with you, I don't think this particular Venice thing, Venetia,
Continue on Sands Avenue for 3/4 of a
here
mile.
in Vegas.
Head southwest on Las Vegas Boulevard
So,
South toward Misty
So you see here to the
Avenue.
right side
Continue on Las Vegas Boulevard South for 4 miles.
the pirate shit. Oh, they took the pirate boat? Oh, they removed the pirate boat. Are you fucking serious? Wait a second. Are you fucking serious? I bet you are serious, but they removed the pirate ship? Why would you do something like that? There must be reasons. There must be some good reasons. Like, it makes no fucking sense. It makes no fucking sense. No. You don't want to do shit like that, you nigga. Hey, nigga. Fucking asshole. Bro, you're not alone in the car. Don't use racial slurs. Especially if you don't know what are you referring to. Okay. Ready to go play. I'm sorry. Man, this place. So this is Gordon Ramsay's burger to the left. I bet you. It must be expensive. Wait a second, what was I talking about before? Caesar salad to the right. See, I'll tell you the story. Caesar salad, Caesar's Palace is can I say that? Well, it's the first. It was my first honeymoon. This is the first place. Actually, I got married inside Caesar's Palace, if I remember well. My first marriage. Las Vegas. Drinking, having fun. I don't know if drinking and having fun go together anymore, but back then you kind of went together. This is the girl that I like. I'd wear just a t-shirt and sexy and tight little girls. Would you ever Oh, she's so pretty. She's like a queen. Oh my God, that girl in the wheelchair was so pretty. Like exotic. Oh, okay. So now to the left is Gordon Ramsay, sorry. We're going back to France over here. À Paris. Comme ça qu'on dit que la photo à Paris. And of course, on the right side of the Eiffel Tower is the Bellagio. Bellagio is going to be on the right side. What the fuck are they building here? It's okay. They know what they're doing. So are they rebuilding the whole Bellagio? I mean, fountains thing? Hell yeah, they do. Oh, so we don't have them right now? You know what, bro? I thought I know a few things about Vegas, but I don't know shit apparently. It's just like I shouldn't know more. I mean, I should know better. I should know everything. I should know. Of course, there's some idiots that, you know what? It's not just their idiots. It's just like the way. Okay, here's my thing about Vegas. The streets. They don't have a. Oh, is that the Zooks? Right next to me, you can see to the left, a little car, no driver. And I can't believe, like, they let him drive around here, because these are great cars, but they drive around here. Look at the lines on the street, okay, on the boulevard. I mean, look at the lines. They're so pale, they're fading. I don't care if it's just like the fucking desert weather just killing them. Just redo them more often. Oh man, I act like an old man. I get the old man blues. Just an idiot. Sometimes I hear myself speaking and I feel like I hear a 3,000-year-old. Actually, a 3,000-year-old is probably way wise. I'm not even that. Okay, when you're done with the self-bashing, let us know. Oh yeah, okay, let's go back to our regular program. So what you see here is Aria. Very famous Aria Hotel. It was a time that Aria Hotel was the new thing, the new kid in town. Everybody was saying, we're going to Aria. Okay. And I was saying Paparia. No, I was saying like too. Like this things here too. And we were let me see what's on the right side. I see something. So I'm gonna share this like screaming for help, but no. I can hear the sirens. I don't know. So anyways, we're kind of reaching the so we have obviously New York on the right side after the light, after the Waldorf, and then of course on the left side we have soon we're gonna have the New York and the right side. New York. The huge guitar here, Les Paul to the left, is obviously the Hard Rock Casino. You'll see it. I don't know if you can see it with that stupid picture just over there, but like on the left side is the Hard Rock. It's tiny. I mean, compared to what's going on around. We have New York to the right. All the way down there, you see that golden thing? There's a super golden thing in Mandalay Bay. You're gonna see the Ellis Island pretty soon, and the French. To the left, of course, the super infamous and famous MGM Grand, Statue of Liberty. So, and don't forget, of course, the crazy one, the little cuckoo one with what do they call it? This way, the Excalibur. The Excalibur is just kind of like, yeah, it's a little, and of course they say the darkest, scariest place, most suicides ever happened in Las Vegas, and they keep it secret. Yeah, suicides after casino losses. It's here. It's in this casino here, the Luxor. I won't be surprised if someday, like, kills itself too, in a way. But so we have the Mandalay Bay. I remember you well, Billy Idol. What the fuck? Is this 2025? I'm being transported to some kind of scenario. Billy Idol's play. So, mueve de colorino and going. Going back to Cook. Going back to Ginger's. Please stay at ease, Russell Road. To the left, we're almost to the airport, the Harry Reid International Airport. Something's happening there. I don't know what the fuck I'm gonna do. Should we let him go? What do you mean, should you let him go? It's just you have no choice, little fuck. So you think you could? Okay, keep your eyes open now, because the famous and infamous Las Vegas sign, "Welcome to Vegas." It's right here to the left, and it's way smaller than you think. Okay, you see here they say "Drive carefully." All those people here to the left, waiting in line, that's the sign. It's because that's a sign waiting there to make a picture. But now, why would you wait over there while you can literally just, if you have Photoshop, you can just, or even AI, you can recreate. So here is the helicopters to the left. Those helicopter rides, I've done this once with a family. So they take you to the Grand Canyon, and they take you all the way down to the Indian reservation. They give you like a little snack to eat, and then they bring you back to right there to Vegas.
In a quarter mile, use the left two lanes to turn left onto Nevada 562 East Sunset Road.
And they lower you down to the Grand Canyon. It was, I don't know. I mean, I think it's a little expensive, but I think it's really worth doing it.
At the light, use the left two lanes to turn left onto Nevada 562
usually I say
East Sunset Road.
Things that are worth doing it or not. It's because, like, it's something I've done like
Sunset
20
Road
years
for 5
ago.
miles.
Maybe, well, let's say 22 years ago, and one of the things that you can forget. Like, so that's how I kind of judge, you know, like if something worth to go or not. Is I've done so many other things in my life, and it looks like I probably forgot 80% of those things. That's not a coincidence, right? Okay, now we're in Vegas. The light is fantastic. We just our left side, all this huge, you know, thing is the Harry Reid Airport, the international. So I don't think there's much more interesting things for you guys to see here. So I'm gonna let you go. I'm gonna let you go for now, and we might do something similar, something kind of like that tomorrow. I don't know, maybe walk a little bit, take our stupid fat asses out of the chair, maybe. I just don't know. But one thing for sure, it feels good to be back outside. I'll explain in some other video why I say that. But right now, I don't think anybody should be interested in what's happening to my internal brain stuffs. So let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Okay. So 6 p.m. here in Las Vegas, 2025, September 23rd, 24th, 23rd. It's a good thing I don't remember what. Let me see. Do I have a phone? Let's see. No, I need to fucking know the date. This is not even cool. It's gonna look super cool. 23. Okay, so it's 23, the 23rd, Tuesday, 5:51, afternoon. Over and out.